So what's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix tap to wake up not working on your iPhone. Many iPhone users are facing that their tap to wake up option not working on their iPhone after iOS update. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, check the tap to wake up button is enabled or not. For this you have to go to your settings first. Then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Again scroll down and tap on touch. Scroll down and now here you can see the option of tap to wake. If this off, then turn it on. If this is on and you are still facing the same issue, then try solution number 2. Restart your iPhone. For this you have to go to your settings and scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, this is if you are having the same issue again and again and your tap to wake up option is not working, then try solution number 3. Or step number 3 is update your iPhone software. If your iOS system is not up to date, then try to update it. Another common reason why tap to wake up may not work on your iPhone is because of outdated software. Apple release update to fix bugs and improve performance. So ensuring your iPhone is running the latest software can often help you to fix issue with tap to wake. And our solution number 4 is restart all settings. After trying out all steps, if it is still not working, you may need to reset all settings on your iPhone. This will reset all your device settings and their default values, but will not delete any of your personal data or content. For this you have to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on general, again scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.